Hi, my name is Gabrielle Laurent. I am a student in physical rehabilitation at Montmorency College, and I have been in this program for 2 years. In this program, I am learning about all pathologies that can affect human bodies, how to evaluate the condition of the patients, and finally, how to treat them. In physiotherapy, it is not rare that we give some exercise to our patients to do at home between the treatments. However, it is not rare that patients forget which exercise we want them to do, so we give them exercise program. When we write them by hand, it is not easy to clearly illustrate and explain the exercise. This is why today I am presenting you the website called Physiotec. This website can help all physical therapists to make clear exercise program to their patients. I will now show you how to create an exercise program for your patient. The first thing to do is to create a new client record. Click on the client button in the left part of the navigation menu. At the top of the screen in the middle, write the information of the client and click on the Save button below. Now that the client record is created, we have several categories to choose from in order to find exercise that fits to the need of your patient. On the left-hand side of the screen, first select the body part that you want to focus on. For this example, I will create an exercise program for a shoulder injury. Then select the movement that you want to work and the objective that you want to achieve. When you have selected all your desired items, click on the search button at the top of the screen in the middle. Here are all the exercises that the website offers us for the shoulder. On the left-hand side of the screen, there is an illustration of the exercise, and on the right-hand side of the screen, there are the instructions of it. If you want to add this exercise to the program, click on the Assign to Program button in the bottom right corner of the screen. To select the parameters of the exercise, fill the appropriate boxes in the middle of the screen and click on the blue button at the right. To add more exercise to the program, click on the Add Exercise button in the middle of the screen. All you have to do is to complete the same step to add more exercise to your program. Once you added all the exercise you want to include in the program, don't forget to save your work. To print a copy of the program for your patient, click on the print icon that is located under the text area. I hope these explanations were useful for you and that you now feel more comfortable using the Physiotec website to create some exercise program.